Just 7 years ago, we were very angry about high fuel prices. In fact, it was one of the main reasons that the Manmohan Singh UPA-2 government was voted out of power in 2014. Media played key role on this issue by creating sensation at the time. Today the media is silent. Prices of all the essential commodities are increasing at alarming rate. People have lost jobs. People have lost incomes. The inflation has been soaring. Not just petrol prices, not just diesel prices, but the prices of all. Edible oil, pulses, they have seen a double-digit growth in the last 1 year. The railway fares, airfares, bus, taxi, all the charges are increasing regularly. These soaring prices are causing great unrest and frustration among common people. The common people of India, they are the main victims of the high prices as well as the pandemic. If the situation continues like this, it is going to be a big threat and open challenge to the government. It will shake the faith of the people in the government, because life has become very hard and miserable for average Indians. Some WhatsApp groups are normalizing the situation and suffering as karma. Whom are they blaming for their failure? Recently, Madhya Pradesh Minister Om Prakash justified the increase in fuel prices in a bizarre manner by suggesting that a person could feel pleasure only when there is pain. What does that mean? What does that mean? Is the government intentionally doing all these? Are they trying to justify the brutality? The rich make a display of their wealth in TV shows by saying there are no issues like that, while the poor people find it difficult to feed their children. Life has lost its charm for their average breadwinner. The indiscriminate rise in prices of essential commodities has left many people tense and helpless. No one can foresee what is in store for the common people in coming days. Political games are throwing the people into flames. Production of food is not in proportion with the increase in population. The cost of living has gone up. The purchasing power of the rupee is continuously falling. It is the duty of the government to bring down the prices of the essential commodities at this time. Priceline is the lifeline of the nation. Priceline is the lifeline of common people. Let us hope the government will be able to bring down the soaring prices. People do not need Photoshop propaganda of history. It is not the karma of people, but it is the result of blatant mismanagement of system. If media normalizes this situation in favor of political gains, history never forgets them. If opposition parties and intellectuals won't raise their concern, if they won't raise their voice for the apathy of rulers, it will be a curse for the coming generations. History proved that people cannot be cheated in long run. They will answer the crooked politicians. They will answer these biased politics. I hope government will bring down the soaring prices. Thank you.